Today we're going to make homemade quesadillas. We'll use flour tortillas, cheddar cheese, butter, and cayenne pepper. We're going to use a skillet, preheat to just below medium. I like to slice my cheddar cheese instead of grating it, but you can surely grate it. Lightly butter the outside of your flour tortillas. Lightly buttered flour tortillas. Place in frying pan, butter side down. Add cheese. I like to add cayenne pepper for spice. Add second tortilla, butter side up. Cook to lightly brown, then turn to other side. Quesadilla flipped over. Turn heat down to low medium heat and let cheese melt inside. Remove from heat after cheese is melted and let cool down for a couple of minutes. Cut or quarter with a pizza cutter or knife, then serve. Homemade quesadillas with cheddar cheese and cayenne pepper.